Backyard Garden Ideas 2025. 10 Lush and Smart Landscaping Hacks. Think your small yard can't be transformed into something lush and breathtaking? Think again. In 2025, it's all about smart, stylish design that makes every inch count. Welcome to the Garden Dream Project, your go-to place for compact backyard inspiration, smart landscaping tips, and outdoor garden hacks that actually work. Today, we're diving into 10 lush landscaping ideas that prove small spaces can deliver big style. Let's get into it. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart, space-saving garden ideas every week. Vertical garden wall in micro backyard. Make the most of your micro backyard with a vertical garden wall. This compact gardening idea stacks lush plants along your fence or wall, adding beauty and function without taking up ground space. Vertical gardens are space-saving, easy to maintain, and ideal for herbs or flowers. They enhance your backyard's visual appeal and bring vibrant green texture to any small space. Use modular planters or hanging pots and choose lightweight, low-water plants. Combine vines, herbs, and flowers to create a layered look that brings life to your tiny outdoor space. Budget DIY Garden Hacks Design. Create a stunning backyard garden on a budget with DIY hacks. This compact garden layout uses upcycled planters, creative materials, and simple designs to deliver major style without breaking the bank. DIY backyard ideas are affordable, customizable, and satisfying. They help you personalize your garden while making use of small spaces in a smart, sustainable way. Repurpose crates or pallets as planters. Use painted cans, tire planters, or broken ceramics for an eclectic feel. Keep everything low maintenance and easy to move around in tight outdoor spaces. Space-saving raised beds with pathways. Maximize your small yard with space-saving raised garden beds and neat stone pathways. This layout is perfect for organizing your plants and creating flow in compact backyard gardens. Raised beds improve soil quality, drainage, and accessibility. They make small backyards more functional and give you control over plant layout, especially in tight spaces. Use recycled wood or metal for bed frames. Keep pathways narrow but defined with gravel or pavers. Grow herbs, leafy greens, or ornamental plants for a blend of beauty and function. Cozy backyard with fire pit and garden. Imagine a cozy small backyard with a built-in fire pit, gravel flooring, and lush garden borders. This backyard idea turns a tight space into a warm, inviting hangout spot, perfect for evenings under the stars. You get a multifunctional outdoor space that's both a relaxing garden and a cozy social spot. A fire pit creates warmth and ambience, while the surrounding plants soften the design and add privacy. Use pea gravel or flagstone for budget-friendly flooring. Choose low-maintenance plants like ornamental grasses and line the space with solar lights for a magical nighttime vibe. Modern minimalist garden, tiny yard. Embrace the sleek beauty of a modern minimalist backyard. With clean lines, raised beds, and smart landscaping, this tiny backyard garden design proves that less is more, without sacrificing lush greenery. Minimalist designs are low maintenance and perfect for busy homeowners. They make your small yard feel spacious, organized, and stylish, while still offering plenty of green with compact landscaping choices. Use concrete pavers, gravel, and drought-tolerant plants to keep things simple yet sophisticated. Incorporate hidden storage or seating to maximize every inch in your small outdoor garden. Tiny urban jungle garden. Turn your small urban backyard into a mini jungle retreat. Dense potted plants, oversized leaves, and layered textures create a lush, tropical garden vibe in the heart of the city. This backyard garden idea adds a calming, nature-inspired atmosphere and improves air quality in tight, urban spaces. It's perfect for creating a private escape right at home. Use a mix of leafy plants in different heights and colors. Incorporate wooden decking, a hanging chair, or a water bowl to complete the urban jungle aesthetic in your small backyard.